Identify the behavior of silver nitrate, OGNO3. In water, silver nitrate is a highly soluble ionic salt. When dissolved in water, it acts as a strong electrolyte and dissociates completely into separated aqueous ions. OGNO3 gives Ag to the power plus number 3 to the power negative. Therefore, a correct particle level representation must show the silver cations, Ag to the power plus, and nitrate anions, number 3 to the power negative, as fully separated, dissociated species, rather than bonded or clustered together. Analyze the polarity and representation of the water molecule. H2O water is a polar molecule due to the large difference in electronegativity between oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen atom is highly electronegative and carries a partial negative charge, delta, represented in the diagram symbol by the larger central circle. The hydrogen atoms carry a partial positive charge, delta plus, represented by the two smaller circles, the ears of the Mickey Mouse shape. Apply the rules of ion dipole attractions for the cation, Ag to the power plus, because opposite charges attract. The positive silver cation, Ag to the power plus, will attract the partially negative oxygen end of the water molecules. Thus, the water molecules surrounding Ag to the power plus must orient themselves with their larger oxygen circles pointing directly inward toward the cation. Apply the rules of ion dipole attractions for the anion, number 3 to the power negative. Conversely, the negative nitrate anion, number 3 to the power negative, will attract the partially positive hydrogen ends of the water molecules. Thus, the water molecules surrounding number 3 to the power negative must orient themselves with their smaller hydrogen circles pointing directly inward toward the anion. Evaluate the options. Option A is the only diagram that correctly shows the ions fully dissociated with both the Ag to the power plus and number 3 to the power negative hydration shells oriented in their thermodynamically favored, lowest energy electrostatically attractive positions. The correct answer is option A. Visual, option A.